Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. On my 10th lecture today, we are going to talk something about the dates, the formatting of the dates in the Excel. So we have talked about two different types of data till now that you can input into the Excel document. There's actually a few more, and I want to talk still a little bit about one of the other types of data that you are going to be inputting into an Excel spreadsheet. We have talked about alpha characters, that our labels, right? Bills, we have got months along the top. We have talked about the numeric values. All of these dollar amounts here eventually be formatted as currency that we have now input into our Excel worksheet. Now, another type of data that you are going to be working with inside of Excel are dates. So, let's talk a little bit about dates. We have got some months here, right? I mean, that's the portion of the date, right? That's the date value, but it's not a complete date. They typically contain three different aspects or three different elements that make up the date. You have got the day of the month, you got the month, and you got the year. So we really got those three pieces. Now, depending on what region you live in, your dates may be formatted a little bit differently that you do. Day first, you do month first. What is your years look like, right? So those could be different changes based on different regions. There's a lot of different ways to build a format dates, but dates typically contain those three pieces of information. Now, let's say for our months here, maybe I'm going to be using this one spreadsheet for multiple years, right? We got 2021 at least as of recording this video. Maybe you're going to go into 2025 or 2030, or maybe I'm going to do previous year with 2018 or whatever it might be, right? So I want to denote which year this month belongs to. So I'm going to go up with my January, which is B3, and I'm just going to double click into that cell. Double click enters into that cell. Now I can edit it. So I'm going to say January hyphen 2021. That's it. I'm going to hit my tab key, pop out of that cell. Now two things just happened there. You see that? Let's try it again. I'm going to double click into C3 because I'm going to do the same thing for February. So I'm going to say February hyphen 2021. Hit the enter key. There we go. So what just happened there? There's two little things, right? Let's try again for March, and just observe what change is happening. March hyphen 2021. Catching it? So we are now working with a date value. And how do we know that? Well, couple of things happened. Let me first complete the other two, then we'll talk about what is happening. Alright, so out of two things, the first thing what happened is that the cells gets right aligned. They are on the right hand side of the cell now. Remember that discussion that's supposed to happen with numeric values? Well, you know that. Inside of Excel and most applications, dates are treated as numeric values. So dates are numeric. And you may have text in there like Jan, Feb, March, but underlining they are numbers that you saw when I double click inside there. You actually get a date format here. I have got the month, day, and year, right? I go over in February, again this month, day, year. So we now got some date values, and underlining once again, I can see this up here inside my formula bar that we have actually got a date. It's right aligned. It's numeric, it's a date value, treats it as such but underlining that is a date. Now, like I mentioned earlier, depending on what region you live in, your dates may be formatted differently. It's fine however you want to format it. Now, if you do this tab in January-2021, hit enter key, it doesn't change it. And if that's happening, I would take a look at your date settings or date format. Now, what if I wanted to actually say 2021? Because right now, just as it's showing Jan 21, is that January the 21 or is it January 21? Right? I want that to be much clearer. So what I'm going to do here, and this is something we are going to get much more in depth into as we continue through and we start to get into the formatting section of this course. But right now I want to format these cells. So I'm going to highlight B3 till F3 and I'm going to go to my home tab, top my screen, and I'm going to go into the numbers section. Here, this is the numbers section, right? Underneath number, we can currently see it says custom. Typically, that will say a general. If I go to any other cell out here, we'll see general inside that box. If you go here, see it's general. Here, it's general. Here, it's general. Here, general, right? Well, here with that selected cells, I'm going to go up there a little drop down and we have got some default formatting options for us. We got what we do have some dates. We got a short date, we got long date. It's not really what I want to scroll down. We got a whole bunch of other stuff inside of there, but down at the bottom we have an option for more number formats. I'm going to go into more number of formats. Here underneath category I will grab dates and here I'm going to find month and year. So month and year. So here we go. Alright, so now we got March-12, but I wanted to say 2021, right? Do we have one like that in there? And that's the form that once got the day and this as well. I don't want the day and I don't see the one that I want and say to their right. They got lots of variation on it. But I wanted to say Jan 2021, Feb 2021, right? Hope you understand. I want that 2000 in there as well. So we do have some default list here. We can pick from some preset date formats, but here I'm going to go to the custom. Let's see, do we have it in here? So here's some dates. We got the month and the year. No, not seen the one I want. So I'm going to do so. I'm going to go up here to where it says type. I'm going to wipe out what's in there. I'm going to backspace, delete that out, and I'm going to put my own custom date format in there. So I want it to be 3 letter abbreviation months. So I'm going to do sorry, 3 times M. That's your month. You can even see a preview of it right there. Jan, now hyphen YY. So we got 3 M's for the month, hyphen 4 Y's for the year. So we got 4-digit year. Okay, there we have it. Nice months. Click OK. Okay, so we got those formats changed to now month-2021. Looks good now. Got to spell out to us January 2021, February 2021, and so on. These are few steps that we went through for doing the formatting in the case of dates always feel free. In any of the videos you can always rewind, you can rewatch the videos, whatever you need to do, a few steps that we went through there, or you could just leave it the way that you want or come up with another format. And if you do that, here we go, ready for this? If you do that, if you do that change, if you change your format, or if you are in the another reason, it should be formatted differently. Whatever you want to do, share it with us. Go to the comment section, put your thoughts. I'm right there. I love answering questions. I love seeing the work that my students do. Share with us, let us know what you're doing. All right, so get this portion done, get your dates in there. 2021 looking good, right? So then we'll jump into the next lecture, and I'm excited. We are going to be getting into some more formulas and formattings in the upcoming sessions. All right, so till that time, thanks for watching this tutorial. And as I always say, if you are really loving it and enjoying this journey of the complete Microsoft Excel tutorial, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. All right, we'll meet up in the next section. In case you have any questions, any concerns, as I said, do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till that time, goodbye and take care.